Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hello, friends. How are you today?
We hope you are doing well. Today, we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we will talk about how to learn vocabulary. Vocabulary means words. The more words you know, the more English you can understand and speak.
That's right. But sometimes it feels difficult. People ask, how can I remember new words?
Today we will give you some tips and ideas. We will also practice together.
Let's start with the first idea. Learn a few words every day.
Yes, don't try to learn 100 words at one time. That is too much.
Start small. Maybe 5 words a day. That is easy and possible.
For example, today you can learn apple, banana, orange, grape, and mango.
Tomorrow you can learn 5 new words like chair, table, bed, window, and door.
Listeners, repeat after me. Apple, banana, orange, grape, mango.
Good job. See, that was not difficult. Another good idea is use pictures.
Yes, pictures help memory.
For example, if you want to remember cat, look at a picture of a cat and say cat, cat, cat.
Or you can draw a picture. Even a simple drawing helps you remember.
Repeat after me, listeners. Cat,
Dog.
fish.
Great work.
Another way to learn vocabulary is make word groups.
Word groups are words about the same topic.
For example, fruit, apple, banana, mango.
Or furniture. Chair, table, bed.
Or colors, red, blue, green.
Grouping words makes it easier because your brain connects them together.
Let's practice. I say fruit. You think of one fruit in English. Ready? Fruit.
I thought orange. What did you think, listeners?
Very good. Another important tip is use the new word in a sentence.
Yes, if you only read the word, you may forget it. But if you make a sentence, you remember better.
For example, the word chair, my sentence is, I sit on the chair.
My sentence is, the chair is blue. Listeners, repeat after me. I sit on the chair.
Great. Now try, the chair is blue.
Perfect.
Another helpful idea is say the words aloud.
Yes, when you speak the words, you remember them more.
Don't only write, don't only read, speak.
For example, I want to learn the word computer. I say it many times. Computer, computer, computer.
And I can also spell it. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R.
Saying and spelling together is very powerful.
Repeat after us. Computer.
Excellent.
Another great way to learn vocabulary is use flashcards.
Flashcards are small cards with a word on one side and a picture or meaning on the other side.
For example, one side says apple, the other side has a picture of an apple.
You look at the card and try to remember. Then you check if you are correct.
You can also use apps on your phone that work like flashcards.
Flashcards are fun and easy to use anywhere.
Another idea is use new words in your daily life.
Yes, if you learn the word water, then when you drink water, say to yourself, "This is water."
If you learn the word door, when you open the door, say, I open the door.
This way, words connect to your life. You will not forget.
Repeat after me. I drink water.
I open the door.
Good. Another useful tip is write a vocabulary journal.
A journal is like a notebook. You can write new words every day.
Write the word, the meaning, maybe a picture, and a sentence. For example, the word is tree, meaning a tall plant. Sentence, the tree is green.
This notebook will become your personal dictionary.
Repeat after me. The tree is green.
Excellent.
Another fun way is learn vocabulary with songs and movies.
Yes, songs are full of words. You listen many times and you remember.
For example, if a song says love many times, you will never forget the word love.
Movies and TV shows also give you vocabulary in real situations.
If you watch with subtitles, you can read and hear at the same time.
That is a powerful way to learn.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick practice together.
Yes, I will say a word and you make a sentence. Ready?
Word, book.
Maybe your sentence is, I read a book.
Next word, car.
Maybe the car is red.
Next word, coffee.
Maybe I drink coffee in the morning.
Excellent.
Let's quickly review the tips for learning vocabulary.
Yes. Number 1, learn a few words every day.
Number 2, use pictures.
Number 3, make word groups.
Number 4, use words in sentences.
Number 5, say words aloud.
Number 6, use flashcards.
Number 7, use new words in daily life.
Number 8, keep a vocabulary journal.
Number 9, learn from songs and movies.
If you try these ideas, your vocabulary will grow quickly.
Friends, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, we are very happy to help you learn English.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.
That way, you will not miss our next lesson.
Remember, learn a little every day and you will make big progress.
You are doing great. Keep going.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.